A woman runs and drops a jacket. What was in that jacket that was so worth hiding?
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
Yes, ma'am.
Turn around.
Yes, ma'am.
What
did I do? What did I do?
Turn the fuck around.
What did I do? What did I do? Why am I arrested? Why am I arrested?
Stop resisting.
Why am I arrested? What? I can go nowhere right now. Why am I arresting? Why am I arrested? That's not my stuff. They put it. No, it's not my stuff. I'm not arrested. Oh,
Get on the fucking ground. Bunnell to Flagler. Show me out with 13 person. Booe Anderson, give me a channel. Get the fuck on the ground.
Thank you. Thank you.
Give me your fucking hand.
Why is what? Please no. Stop fucking. Stop. Stop. Why? Why? He died. Why? What happened?
Bunnell to Flagler. Got adult female secure clear channel.
Stop it, baby. I didn't do anything. My baby's so alive. The baby's alive. Oh, baby. I hope so. I didn't know anything happened. God, that's fine. Baby, please. You have to go to me. I love you. Baby, please. I love you. Baby, I didn't do anything. There was a minors out here. I promise you.
Melissa Mans.
Baby, am I arrested because
Melissa?
of the charge? Baby, is
Or
there a
what is
charge?
it? Something Mans?
Melinda Mans?
Yep.
Baby, is there a
49?
charge?
I don't know.
Baby, is there a charge?
So
Baby, is there a charge?
she sees
Baby.
me.
No, I didn't know what's happening.
I have my cruise lights on coming
through.
through,
Trying to grab me.
and she
No, baby,
immediately
I
looks
didn't
back,
arrest.
sees me,
I
and starts
swear to God, I
running.
didn't arrest. No, I swear to God, I didn't.
So I'm like, what the hell?
Baby, stop! I can't be in there.
So I go
I'm
around the
not
other way,
lying.
this way, 'cause she runs that way.
Baby.
I come around the other way,
Baby.
and she runs back
No,
this
my
way.
baby.
So I get on my
Baby.
car and say, hey, stop,
Baby,
because
no,
I'm
stop.
conducting an
I
LMP
swear to God.
investigation.
I'm about to shoot myself.
And she
Baby,
fucking takes off running again.
Baby, I did it.
And then she
I
takes
never
off her
been around here.
jacket and throws it through
Baby,
here.
No, I did not.
Quiet.
Even if
So can you,
No.
can we lift her up real quick?
Yes, baby.
And then she starts
I
fighting with
didn't
me.
know I didn't fight you. I can't feel anything or say anything because you beat me up. I didn't do anything.
beat you up.
But make love with one man and was like, don't make money.
Who's in this car right here?
What happened?
I don't know who's in
What
there.
happened? That's
Can
not
you
my
just watch
stuff.
her?
It's just me just out. It's not my stuff. You're making something not my stuff. It's not my stuff. Mom, it's not my stuff. What the fuck? It's not my stuff. You can't play me twice. It's not my stuff. Why would you do that? You're making it like it's mine. Even if you think you have cameras, it's not mine. It's not mine. I swear to God, it's not mine. I don't know. It's 60 people that died. It's not mine. You didn't make me go there. I didn't do anything. It has to fucking keep out. No way. I didn't do anything. Why am I arrested? I was walking. What's wrong? It's not mine.
You think she did something?
That's not
She threw
mine.
something over this fence.
It's not mine.
She
No,
threw
it's
that and
not.
something else over this fence.
Baby, I did not. I did not. I swear to God, I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't. I'm not lying.
Available.
You got gloves on you? Hey, Sean, you got gloves?
I'm not lying. Why are you arresting me? I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
You wanna get up? LT, let me get my gloves on. Here, I got a
I'm
pair.
not lying. Nothing is mine. It's not mine. It's not mine.
You're going to jail. Stop.
Why? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I can't go back there. I can't go back there. I didn't do anything. What's wrong?
Can we lift her up?
What's wrong? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, it's Melinda Mans.
Roll over to your side.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Yes, sir. I didn't do anything. Why am I arrested? None of this stuff is mine. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which one?
Sit up.
She pissed all over herself.
No, I didn't piss. I didn't piss anything.
Sit up.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I didn't do anything. I live
So,
in a house. I live out 304.
I've got my cruise
Back
lights on
street.
coming through
I
here.
am not doing anything, but you're chasing me.
She's standing over
I
here
did
by
not
this
do
car.
anything. There's no cameras,
She
no
looks
nothing. I
back,
didn't
sees
do
my red and
anything.
blue cruise lights,
I did
and
not
takes
do
off running
anything.
that way. So I'm like, what
Sir,
the
I did
hell?
not- you can't run
So I
because
come
didn't
around,
do
she
anything.
runs
I've
through
done
the gate
nothing.
over there.
I swear to God, I didn't.
That
You're
way,
not gonna listen.
towards the other street.
Sir, that's nothing
Yeah.
is mine. I didn't put
So she
anything
comes
in
around
it.
so we go around the other
Sir, you're
way.
not gonna listen to me.
She
I
sees
live
me
in a
again and
house.
runs back this way.
I have no place. I have
So I
no
cut
place.
across over here,
Sir, I can't
and
be
she starts
there.
walking again.
Sir,
So
I can't
when
be
she's walking,
there.
she's about right here
I
where my
didn't
truck's
do
at.
anything.
I yell at her, say, hey, stop.
I didn't. I
Looks
was
back,
nobody,
takes off
sir. I
running
didn't do
again.
anything. I was walking.
So as I come
did
up to
not-
here
I
right
didn't
here,
do
she
it.
takes off her
I'm sorry, I
jacket
did
that's
not do
right here,
anything. Sir, I didn't look
Throws it
my
over the
whole
fence.
body. I didn't do anything.
I don't have
I'm
that
not
stuff on
showing
me no more. I
you.
don't got it on me no more.
didn't
So I go to
do anything.
security,
It's
she
on
starts
my
fighting
back.
with me, so she got
Push
taken
up
to the ground.
there. Sir, I did not.
So,
Sir, I did not put
it's
no
gonna be an
hands
LMP,
in my
and we're
life.
gonna go from
I didn't
there.
do trespassing. I didn't do anything. I've
Yeah.
been living in a house and taking care of it.
Can we pick
Sir,
her up?
I haven't done anything. Why are you trying to arrest me? Nothing is
Miranda,
mine.
stop.
Stop. You can't put a report on me. That's the Miranda rights. You can't do that. I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
stand up?
Okay, are
Yeah.
you arresting me?
Yes.
I didn't. That's not
Can we
my
fix her?
stuff.
All
You're
right.
putting
Hey.
me. Stop. I didn't
Stop.
do anything. Sir, I did not do anything.
You ready?
Why are you making it look I'm
Help me
going
get
back
you
in there?
But I'll
Why are you
keep
doing that to
looking
me?
for
I can't see or do anything there. Stop. I have a policeman. Stop. Okay, camera shoes, please. Camera shoes, please. Why are you getting
Walk.
arrested? Camera
Walk.
shoes.
We're
My
walking
shoes,
towards
please.
the car.
My shoes, please. My shoes. Yes, sir. I didn't do anything. Why do you keep doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this? What? I didn't do anything. Why am I getting arrested?
Right.
Why am I being
have
arrested
we checked
again?
her already?
No, I'm living at a house, 04 Bachelor Street. I didn't do anything. There's nothing on me. I haven't done anything. That's not mine. You can't stop. That's not mine. Your hand is not mine. You can't push my arm. You can't push my arm. You can't push my arm. You don't want to do anything. I run this. You don't have to talk. I'm not doing anything. I'm 40 years old. Yes, sir. I haven't done anything. There's no like. I run the right foot off. Look, I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. Please stop. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I keep repeating myself. That is not that thing. But the shoes are mine. I don't have anything in me.
Hop in.
No, am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? I mean, why are you doing this to me? Look at why? How you doing? So I'm being arrested? Am I being arrested?
For now,
Am I being arrested?
investigating the situation.
Am I being arrested? I don't have
Yes.
one. Why?
Get gloves
Why
on.
is he saying yes to you? Okay, you want me to get into the car? You're not listening. Why are you guys doing this to just me? I live in the whole fucking house. I live in the house. What's wrong with the house? Why? Why do you have to be right now? There's you guys. Stop. I don't want to be anything. I don't want to. Jamie, what's wrong? What is wrong? Why am I being arrested again? Why are you doing it? Ow! Ow! Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ow. Oh, my Miranda rights.
Let's check her stuff.
You check well over there in the draft.
I didn't see anything. This is what she threw. All right, here's a stem.
Okay.
She threw this over the fence, yeah. Right over here, Chief. It was about right here, Sean.
From the beach. Copy that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's he need?
Black motorcycle in the back.
Relax. There's nothing there. You're very,
That's
very
fine.
chill.
I
Relax.
was just walking. What's wrong? What did I do? I was just... Hello? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Yes, sir? Yes. Okay. Yes. Why am I being arrested? I was just walking. Yes, sir. I know I am. Sir, I didn't do anything. Why am I being arrested? You read my murder rights or nothing. Sir. Yes, sir. No one's going anything to me. What's wrong? Sir, I haven't done anything. Nothing.
Where's that stem right there?
Right there.
I got some too. Hopefully that'll be enough to scrape something out of it.
Yeah.
I haven't seen her in a while.
All right, here's some.
What is that? That looks like Advil or Tylenol.
PD 72.
I mean, we don't know what this is going to be.
Hey, John.
Sir?
You got a Miranda card on you? No, John's got one for me, Sean. Sorry, Chief.
Why is it so?
Hey, stop,
charges,
stop.
baby. Oh,
Stop,
sorry.
stop for a
yes,
second.
sir.
These are your
Yes,
rights.
sir.
You have the right to remain
I
silent.
know, but you're not telling my
Anything
charges.
you say may be used as
I
evidence
don't
against
have.
you.
I just walking.
You have the right to talk
Was
to
it
an
'cause I'm
attorney, have
walking?
him or her with you
What
now
did I
any
do?
time during questioning.
I didn't do
You cannot
anything.
afford an attorney. One will be appointed to represent you.
No, he's just
If at
talking.
any
Why am I
time-
being arrested? You can't just
If at
arrest
any
someone. You
time
can't
you were
obtain
to stop
anyone.
talking or have an attorney present,
What?
and all questioning will be stopped at
No,
your request.
but you don't.
Do you
Why am I
understand
being
these-
arrested?
Do you understand these rights?
No, you're not listening. I
understand
can't be
these
in
rights?
Americans. I'm telling you,
Do
I
you
got
understand
nothing.
these rights?
What am I being arrested
you
for?
willing to talk
The
to me?
rights are why am I being arrested? You can't
Are you
obtain
willing to
somebody.
talk to me? Okay,
Yes, sir.
you're refusing to talk to
No,
me?
yes, sir. I'm talking to
Okay,
you.
why'd you
Yes,
take
sir.
off running when you saw me?
I didn't take off running.
You did take off running. Took off running twice. You
What?
took off running when you saw me here with my cruise lights on and
Huh?
went towards South Barker Street. And then when you saw me come back around, you ran around. And then when you saw me right here, when
Sir.
I told you to stop,
Sir.
you took off running again.
Are you turning off? Where's your camera?
My camera's right here. So why'd you take off running?
I saw your lights on where I could hear them.
You saw my lights.
Could I hear them?
You
I
don't
didn't
hear
see
lights,
you.
ma'am. So why'd you
What?
take off running?
There's a sound
This
when
is
it
a
comes to
high
police.
crime area, okay?
What?
Yes.
Sir,
So
I
why'd you
live
take off
here,
running?
304 Bachelor Street.
Okay,
You
this
can
isn't
ask the
304
resident.
South Barker
No,
Street.
it's right here.
Okay.
I need to check
Why'd
on
you take off
Chelsea.
running from me?
Master, I didn't. I'm run from you.
Okay. Do you have anything else you want to tell me?
I need to know why
Okay.
I'm being arrested because
You're being arrested for loitering or prowling and possession of paraphernalia and resisting arrest without violence.
paraphernalia.
Okay, yep.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
This is gonna be prison time. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you can see right there. So use your phone. So it's cocaine.
Okay. All right. Where's John at?
Shaw, can you roll my windows down? She's claiming. Just roll my windows down.
Did we check these?
No, I haven't. I'll look them up in a second.
All right, let's get her to the jail. I want to get her out of this area. Let's get her to the jail,
Okay.
and we'll go from there. All right.
So, what do you want me to bag? You got a bag? You want me to help you put this in?
Yeah, you got a big enough bag?
Yeah, I got it. I had a debris on our way, but I guess not.
No, we're not waiting for her. You can cancel her.
All right. I'll have John take it, but since it's Houser's vehicle, we'll just be in here.
Oh, you guys want to take it? The arrest?
They already read them.
All right, I'll send you the narrative that I have.
Rights are already read.
You just read me Miranda rights.
There's pills in here, so we got to check these here when we get to the jail, okay? All right, and this is for, we got a big enough thing we can stick this in?
Yeah,
She's
no
not
big
taking
bag
this
for
shit
this.
with her.
Smokes are just gonna be.
Yeah,
I know they must have been something.
she tossed the whole thing over there.
You think it was the stem she was trying to avoid?
Probably. All right. I'll meet you at the jail, Brian.
Yes, sir.
Listen, that's not my mom. That's not.
Melinda Mance was hit with 5 charges: loitering and prowling, drug paraphernalia, obstruction, and 2 felony counts of possession of a controlled substance without a prescription. That glass pipe she threw over the fence, it tested positive for cocaine. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam and hit the notification bell.